This rhino ran right up to the photographer and demanded belly rubs. A Jew installed a new security camera and it scared the snow leopard. About 3 years ago, a new type of rock was discovered in Lake Superior in Michigan, United States. These are called upperlights. When they are placed underneath an ultraviolet light, they look different from regular boring rocks. This is a peacock mantis shrimp and they are one of the most fearsome predators in the animal kingdom. They hunt for food by punching other animals to death. They have the fastest punch ever recorded at a speed of over 50 miles per hour. Their punch is so strong that they can break through the glass walls of aquariums. This is called the double wrench method, which is a super simple way to break open a lock.
Okay, let's try the new method now. Put one in the bottom and one such that it pries that shackle up, and looks like we opened that up pretty quickly.
This monster storm suddenly attacked on the beach of Florida, United States. When researchers were studying a group of beluga whales, they noticed something strange. One of the whales was actually a narwhal. This narwhal has been swimming in the same group of whales for over 5 years. Time in the 1st century, a nomadic tribe in Saudi Arabia carved this tomb from a giant rock. There's over 100 other similar tombs scattered throughout the desert. These tombs were built for the wealthiest and most important members of their society. This is how a sea cucumber eats. They walk on the floor and throw sand in their mouth and digest whatever organic matter they can find.
So holothurians or sea cucumbers, they typically don't move much. You can see them there.
He's pretty happy there.